Hi kids! Have you ever wondered how rainbows are made? Today we're going to take a fun journey to discover the magic behind rainbows. First, we need a little bit of rain. When the sky gets cloudy and raindrops start to fall, that's when the magic begins. Look, the sun is shining again. But how does this create a rainbow? When sunlight hits the raindrops, something amazing happens. The light bends and splits into many colors, just like when light goes through a prism. And there it is, a beautiful rainbow with all its colors shining brightly in the sky. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, all the colors of the rainbow. Let's take a closer look at the colors. Can you name them with me? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These are the colors you see in every rainbow. So, the science behind rainbows is pretty cool. When the sunlight hits the raindrops, it bends, splits, and reflects inside the drops. Then, the light comes out and spreads across the sky as a rainbow. Rainbows don't last forever, but they always leave us with a smile. So next time it rains and the sun comes out, look up and see if you can find a rainbow. Thanks for joining us on this colorful adventure. Remember, rainbows are a beautiful reminder of how light and water can create something magical.